What's up guys? Welcome back to the vlogs. So this is me trying to look presentable for you. I'm sorry, my vlogs are pretty much just going to be organized with me, clean with me, declutter with me for a while because I'm still getting settled into our new Austin apartment and there's just a lot to be done. I'm still getting used to the scale of this apartment because in my home I could make a little bit of a mess and get away with it, but in the apartment I can't because if anything is out of place it just looks like everything is exploded. So that's what happened to me right now. My bedroom is a total mess, so I'm going to clean my bedroom today. I actually need to organize and sort through my closet a little bit as well because we bought some new shoe shelves from IKEA that I wasn't able to show you in my previous vlog. And then I also need to take all my shoes out of the shoe bags, put them in order, you know, just figure out where everything goes in my room because I want it to be functional but also fit all my things. So let me show you an overview of what's going on. First of all, need to make my bed. Second, I'm trying to figure out if I want to put this canvas on this wall. What do you guys think? I actually did a little story poll and majority of the people said that I should hang this over here. I just didn't want the apartment to look really cluttered in terms of like no space on the walls and really bright and airy, but I do think that I quite like the contrast of that canvas with these prints here regardless because my bed is all white so it doesn't look really crowded either. And then this, I essentially just need to remove all my clothing, which I'll do in a minute while I'm decluttering with you guys. And then I bought a Dyson Airwrap. I'm still trying it out, but I have nowhere to put it in my bathroom because there's no space. It's quite bulky. So I'm gonna make space in here to put this and maybe some more beauty supplies. And then this is my closet. It's looking like an absolute mess. I can't walk in here right now because we've tried to maximize space with the IKEA chest of drawers and then all of these shoe shelves, but I still need places to hang. So I just need to figure this out and make it look pretty again. All the shoes that I have are in shoe bags right now. That's how I brought them from Houston. So I need to unpack all of these because I have no idea what shoes are in what bag. I just need to organize my closet a little bit. I don't even know if I can go in there. These pillows actually go to my bed, so they're just gonna go. They're from the Citizenry and I really love their bedding. It's amazing. So if you haven't checked them out, you absolutely need to. I can link those ones for you because they look perfect on my bed. And then these are all my IKEA drawers. Oops, you can see my underwear. Don't look at it. Anyways, so there's Rami stuff and then all of this is hung and it's okay, but I need to just figure out how to get these clothes into my closet. I always forget what a big difference it makes just to clean the bed, and now I can move on to the rest. So since this is going to take me the longest, I'm going to attempt to do my closet now. Hopefully I can get this under control in about 30 to 40 minutes is what I'm aiming for, but we'll see. Let's roll. Okay guys, just to show you what I've done, I actually ended up getting rid of a lot of shoes. When I go outside of my room, I'll show you guys. But now the closet is so much more organized. I think the biggest thing was my shoes. I'm happy to have put them away. I put all my sneakers on top and then color coordinated them as I usually do. I actually have like an entire shoe collection video where you can see all my shoes. So you should definitely check that out if you are a shoe lover like me. All those shoes in bags are essentially heels and boots that, one, I don't really wear heels too much, so I've put them away. They're all my classic Stuart Weitzman heels that I only wear for special occasions, and then winter boots. So instead of having them out, which obviously I would need more space for, I just left them in the dust bags because I don't really wear them that often, and it'll just be easier to pack once we're leaving this apartment. So I've just kept everything neat and tidy. I'm hoping I can actually wear all of these shoes because I realized I have way too many shoes. And then all of these are the dresser drawers that used to be in our bedroom from the original Hafez house, if you remember. They actually fit in here really well. And if you're wondering where these shoe racks are from, they are from IKEA. We got them on our last trip. I really like that they can be stacked. So these are all individual units. Each shoe rack comes with 2 shelves, but you can easily stack them and then make them into different shapes. Like for example, if you have boots, you can definitely put them lower and then put boots on top, like the taller items. So there are many configurations for that, which I love about IKEA stuff anyways. But I think this just looks so much more organized and makes me really happy because it was giving me way too much anxiety before. And then here is another look. Everything is back to normal. I'm so happy about this. My room was really terrible for the past 2 days. And then, as I showed you before, I have this empty cabinet in my media console, and I've realized you just need to get really creative with the space in your apartment and really like fit things in unconventional places just to maximize space. So I think what I'm gonna do is put some IKEA containers over here with some makeup that is cluttering my bathroom drawers right now. I think it's better just to put it over here because if it's something that I want to try or PR companies send me, I can just have this designated space for it, and I know exactly where to go and look for things if I want to try new makeup, etc. And that'll also declutter my bathroom cabinets a little bit too. So I just pulled out my little handy IKEA storage cubes that you would have seen in my last vlog, and then in here I have some more IKEA storage cubes that I think would be perfect for the cabinet over there. So I'll show you. These are really awesome to have because these fit in your closets. If you have IKEA stuff, it's just so convenient because these little things, like you can see, can be stored and folded flat, but they'll fit into your bathroom, your chest of drawers, wherever you want it to fit, essentially, and just make everything more organized. So I'll show you how you assemble these. It's super easy, and I do like that they're like a cloth, so they're not going to scratch my console table either. So they're super easy to use. All you really need to do, they come with like a little zipper on the bottom, and then all you need to do is zip it. It's so convenient, honestly. It's the best. And there you go, you have a cubby, and they come in different sizes in the pack. They have some square ones too if you have larger things, which I'm actually going to end up using more of because I have a bunch of makeup. They are seriously so handy and so convenient. And then they have a smaller size too. I will make sure to link these for you below because I love these. They've honestly been a lifesaver. I'm actually probably not going to use these smaller ones, but I'm going to use the square and the rectangular ones. Just to give you like an overview of what's happening in my bathroom, I think this is all more or less organized. It doesn't look like it. I have way too many products, but I think these are things that I actually use on the daily. And then this is where the craziness is happening because right now I have makeup on top of makeup, and then this whole whole section over here. So I actually have this old IKEA organizer and I don't like it anymore. I don't love the print on this, so I'm just gonna switch it out with one of the rectangular ones. I believe those are actually smaller now that I'm thinking about it, but I think I'm gonna take out majority of this stuff from in here anyways. And then all of my hair stuff is there, some tanning stuff, which is fine. But then in here, like for example, this is all like new makeup sent from PR companies that I need to try or want to try. And then over here I have more, so I just want to make sure that I have everything organized properly. So this is my makeup that I reach for all the time, and then these are my makeup brushes that I use every time, and then all of this is like new makeup that I want to try. So I'm just gonna take all of this out and put it into the other area, and then that way I'll have more space over here for other things. That's already looking so much better, so let's do this. Scratch what I had said earlier because I decided I'm going to keep these transparent dishes because the IKEA ones are way too deep and I feel like I'm just going to lose all the makeup in there. These ones are shallow and I can at least see what's what. So I've decided that I'm just going to keep this entire row for makeup that I want to try, and then all of this stuff is makeup that I love and want to keep in circulation. And I just took out that hideous packing cube because I didn't like it. I like the pure white one and it just looks so much better. I'm actually able to fit my everyday makeup and my everyday brushes on the side, which I wasn't able to do before. So this actually kind of worked out. I actually just went through all of this again, and I actually managed to take out all of these items over here that I don't need in this drawer. So this has all of my tools. I have some moisturizers over here I'm trying to finish, 2 new perfumes I haven't opened up, my favorite Tata Harper masks, all of my fragrances, and this is all my face stuff that I use on the daily. I also just found these 2 products that I bought with the Air Wrap during the Sephora sale. So I got the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melting Balm. Has anybody tried this? Because I've heard really great things about this. And then the Tatcha lip mask. So one of my friends was telling me Tatcha has soon become one of her favorite companies ever, and she said that she really loves this, and it's a really great lip mask, especially if you have very dry lips. And I've noticed that since I've moved to Austin, I've just had really dry lips, so I'm hoping that this will help. I'll report back. I'm actually quite surprised as to how bright this apartment is and how much light I'm getting, because usually it's really sunny and there's light pouring in through my bedroom window, but today it's been really overcast and cloudy. Anyways, I'm sitting here with my pile of shoes that I wanted to go over one more time just to see if I want to keep them. I'm probably not going to have them donated by the time this vlog goes up, so maybe you can help me decide. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, because I think I definitely need to get rid of some of them. So I'm going to start off with this pair from J. Crew. These are just plain loafers from I think like 2 or 3 years ago. What do you think about these? I think I should get rid of them. I actually haven't worn these in years, but I remember when I bought them, I used to wear them a lot. They are Italian made. They were very expensive when I got them. I think they were like 300 bucks, if not more. There was a time in my life when I was really into J. Crew and I would keep everything. I mean, I would buy everything from J. Crew, but not anymore, sadly. Next pair, Zara. I literally haven't even worn them, and I'm kind of like annoyed that I have them now because I haven't worn them. But these are classic black. What do you think? Keep or return? There's literally not a scuff on them at all. Haven't worn these. What do you guys think? I might keep these because they are just classic black mesh sandals with kitten heels for the summertime. I think these could be pretty good, so I'm gonna put that in my maybe pile. I do think I'm gonna get rid of those J. Crew ones though. The next one is making me kind of sad, but I just don't think that these shoes work well with me. These are little Dior mesh booties. I really have worn them a lot. You can tell from the top they look like they have never been worn. Like even the heel is just perfect. So I might actually end up selling these on the RealReal, or I don't know, one of those. I definitely think I'm gonna put this in my to sell pile because I actually have like a little designer for sale pile, which includes one of my Valentino handbags and both my Prada handbags. These are birdies. I don't think I think I've worn them one time. So birdies are just like really comfortable shoes, but honestly, I have not worn them. They're just a classic black. I remember when I wore them, they were super comfortable and they're really great for like walking around the city. But I don't know when I'm gonna be using a black loafer like this to walk around the city. I don't know, they were really comfortable though. What do you guys think? Keep or return? I might put this in my maybe pile because they definitely are very comfortable shoes. These furry slides that I got from Revolve, I mean, these are nice and I like the mint color, but I don't know when I'm gonna wear these. I have like way too many house slippers, so I'm probably just gonna get rid of these. These are these Alexander Berman heels that I got back in the day, and I think I've literally worn them like 3 times in my entire life. They're like an ombre denim, but I think like they're totally like out of fashion, and I don't know when I'm ever gonna wear this. These shoes, I actually honestly have worn them probably like 3 times or 4 max, so I'm definitely gonna add these to my designer for sale pile. I think I just need to get rid of the birdies too, unless you guys think I should keep them. So make sure you tell me. I think the only shoes that I for sure I'm probably gonna keep are these Zara ones because they're like brand new, literally. Okay, next up, another Zara pair that I barely wore. You know when PVC shoes were really in? I got these ones and they have like a little PVC heel. You can see I've like barely worn these too, but I think these ones I'm gonna get rid of because I don't need 2 very similar Zara shoes, so I'm gonna get rid of these PVC ones for sure. These ones I wasn't sure about either. These are from Revolve, from a brand called Song of Style. I mean, these could be kind of cute. They've got like a little like cowhide type of thing with like little heels too, so I could definitely wear these. They're definitely more wearable than like any other heels, so these I think I might keep too because I really do like the black and white, and if you're wearing it with like an all white outfit, these could be cool, or an all black monochrome look, that could be nice too. So that's a maybe. Next up, oh, another Zara pair. Why did I do this to myself, honestly? Like, I'm just like, why did I buy these shoes and then never wear them and then not even return them, honestly? These ones look a little bit worn, but they are not. I think I wore them around the house one time. These are like a denim slide with like little kitten heels, but definitely not keeping these because I do not need these in my life. I have too many shoes. Oh yeah, and then these ones I'm for sure getting rid of. These espadrilles that I got from J. Crew a really long time ago. Like, you tie them all the way up to your ankles, and like, I'm not into this type of shoe anymore. These are for sure gonna go as well. And then the last pair are these leopard booties that I got from DSW, I believe, a really long time ago too. I think I'm gonna get rid of these. So far, I need you guys to help me decide if I should keep both of these shoes or one of these pairs. And I think everything else I'm getting rid of. Another maybe might be the birdies. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think? I really hope you enjoyed this little day in the life / declutter and organize with me vlog. I am going to be doing a lot of these since I'm settling into my new apartment in Austin. There's going to be like a lot of home content, a lot of organization content in my vlogs. So if you like those kinds of videos, be sure to come and check out my next few vlogs. I'm going to leave an entire playlist over here for my life and vlogs so you can watch more if you're interested. And I appreciate you guys watching if you have so far. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys very soon with a brand new video. Take care.